Good morning, students. Welcome back to computer class. Today we will continue our first chapter, History of Computer. So let's continue. First of all, we will recall the things that we did learn from our previous videos. In our previous video, we did learn about early counting devices, stones, sticks, pebbles, fingers, co-wires were used by early men to count. Then we did learn about mechanical counting devices. Abacus. Abacus was invented in 3000 BCE in China. It was the first calculating device. Then Napier's bones. In year 1616, John Napier invented a machine called Napier's bones. Then we did learn about electromechanical counting devices. First one is Pascaline. In year 1642, Blaise Pascal invented Pascaline. In year 1642, Blaise Pascal invented Pascaline. Next one is Leibniz calculator. In year 1671, Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz invented Leibniz calculator. In year 1671, Gottfried Wilhelm von Leibniz invented Leibniz calculator. Jacquard loom. In year 801, Joseph Marie Jacquard invented powered loom called Jacquard loom. In year 1801, Joseph Marie Jacquard invented a power loom called Jacquard loom. Difference engine. Charles Babbage invented difference engine in 1822. Charles Babbage invented difference engine in 1822 and analytical engine in 1823. Charles Babbage invented analytical engine in 1823. Did you know one thing? Charles Babbage is called father of modern computer. Charles Babbage is called father of modern computer. George Boole designed Boolean logic. Boolean logic designed by George Boole, which became a fundamental principle for designing computer circuits. Then electronic counting device. So Hermann Hollerith invented electronic counting device in year 1889. In year 1889, Hermann Hollerith invented counting machine, electronic counting machine. Hermann Hollerith was the founder of the company now we known as IBM today. So Hermann Hollerith is the founder of company known as IBM. Now let's learn about modern calculating devices. Modern calculating devices or computers. So modern calculating devices. Major development in the calculating devices took a place in the 20th and early 21st centuries. Major development in the calculating devices took place in the 20th and early 21st centuries. Let's study about some important devices of this period. Let's study about some important devices of this period. So, the first digital electronic computer. The first digital electronic computer ABC. The name of that computer is ABC. So, Here we having a picture of ABC, and it was invented by John V. Atanasoff and Clifford E. Berry. ABC was invented by John V. Atanasoff and Clifford E. Berry. It was the first computer prototype. John V. Atanasoff and Clifford E. Berry developed the first computer prototype. It consists of vacuum tube instead of mechanical switch. It consists of vacuum tubes instead of mechanical switches. So it is the picture of ABC. It was called Atanasoff Berry computer. It was called Atanasoff Berry computer, and the abbreviation of that ABC, Atanasoff Berry computer. It used a binary number system like a modern computer. As we know, our computer understand only binary number system. It means it understand in only 0 and 1 number system. So ABC computer used the binary number system like a modern computers are using. Now let's look next computer, Z3. Z3 invented by Conrad Zuse. Z3 invented by Conrad Zuse. Z3 was electromechanical computer designed by Conrad Zuse. It was the world's first programmable and fully automatic computing machine. It was the world's first programmable and fully automatic computing machine. So Z3 was developed by Conrad Zuse. Now next one is Harvard Mark I. So it is a picture of Harvard Mark I. Harvard Mark I computer was built in partnership between Harvard and IBM in 1944. Harvard Mark I computer was built in partnership between Harvard and IBM in 1944. This was the first programmable digital computer developed in United States. Harvard Mark I was first programmable digital computer developed in United States. Harvard Mark I. Here I having a video, so let's look how the computer was. You can see very huge computer it is. It was the first programmable digital computer developed in United States. But it was not a purely electronic computer. The machine weighed 5 tons and had 500 miles of wires. It was weighted 5 tons and had 500 miles of wire. It was 8 feet in the height. It was 8 feet in the height and 51 feet in length and 51 feet in length. So it was Harvard Mark I. Now let's learn about ENIAC and UNIVAC. It is a picture of ENIAC, electronic numerical integrator and calculator. Electronic numerical integrator and calculator. The abbreviation of that is ENIAC. ENIAC was first fully functional electronic digital computer to be built in United States. It was first fully functional electronic digital computer to be built in United States. It was somewhat similar to early computers but considerably larger and more flexible. It was somewhat similar to early computer but considerably larger and more flexible. So it is picture of ENIAC. Now let's learn about UNIVAC. It is picture of UNIVAC. Universal Automatic Computer. An abbreviation of that is UNIVAC. Universal Automatic Computer. UNIVAC was the first commercial manufactured in the USA. UNIVAC was first commercial computer manufactured in USA. So that's it about the history of computer. Here we having completed this chapter. So in this chapter we have learned about early counting devices, mechanical counting devices, electromechanical counting devices, and modern calculating devices. So that's it about the history. Now we will learn new things in our next video. Till that time,